what you're watching looks unreal, but it's not magic. He's using internal momentum to literally uproot his training partner. And the crazy part, it all comes from this Tai Chi movement. Let's break down what's happening here. The practitioner is relaxed. He's not tensing up, he's not muscling through the movement. Instead, he's using the fascia, the body's connective tissue, like an internal spring. When he presses, that stored energy releases. The partner feels it not as a push from the muscles, but as if their whole frame gets lifted and uprooted. That's why it looks fake to outsiders. But when you feel it, it's very real. Now, if you've only ever thought of Tai Chi as something slow, maybe what your grandparents do in the park, then this is going to completely flip that idea on its head. Because Tai Chi isn't just about slow movements. At its core, it's a martial art, a system designed to harness internal power. And once you understand it, you realize how someone can uproot an opponent, not with brute strength, but with timing, relaxation, and hidden momentum. Now, he didn't believe at first either, but training under a master of the Cheng Manqing lineage for over 13 years, and like you, he thought, come on, standing still can't build power. So he tested it. For 100 days, no shortcuts, no skipping, just standing, every single day. And here's what happened. Over time, he started to feel differently. His legs rooted deeper, his upper body loosened, and eventually, when he could uproot people, they staggered. Not because he was stronger than them, but because he was using something different. Internal momentum. Think of it like this. Muscles are the hardware, fascia and connective tissue. That's the wiring. And intent, the mind, is the software. Most people only ever train the hardware. Lift heavier, get stronger, get faster. But Tai Chi trains the wiring and the software. That's why a smaller, relaxed person can move someone bigger. It's like upgrading your system without adding extra weight. I know what you're thinking. This still looks fake. And I get it. You see clips online, people flying from a touch, and it seems staged. But here's the key. True internal power doesn't always look dramatic. Most of the time, it's subtle. It's the shift of balance, the sudden loss of root, and when you're the one on the receiving end, there's no faking it. So why does this matter to you? Because this isn't just about martial arts. Standing meditation trains your nervous system. It rewires how your body moves under pressure. That means more resilience, faster recovery, sharper focus, and yes, the ability to generate force without brute strength. It's martial training, but it's also life training. If you're curious about how this works, I put together a free tutorial where I break down the exact standing meditation practice step by step. It's limited, but if you're watching this, you can grab it right now. Check the link in the description or pinned in the comments. So next time you see someone uproot a partner without effort, remember, it's not magic, it's internal momentum, and you can learn it too.